In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the 0x800920004 Windows Update error code in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and find for an option which is the system. So click on the system here and under the system settings, please scroll down and find for an option which is the troubleshoot. Click in here and afterwards you will be able to see three options. Please locate for other troubleshooters and please run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. Okay? So this process will take some time. Okay? It will help you to diagnose the Windows Update error. And once you are done with this step, please check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, I want you to copy this commands at the YouTube description. I'll be including it there. And once you have copied it, please proceed here at the search box and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a command prompt system under the best matched. Please navigate to the right pane and go with Run as Administrator. So please wait until you'll get that option. Once it's here, click on it. And the moment you have clicked on it, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So first as you need to do system scanning, SFC space forward slash scan now. Okay. So please do system scanning and then please copy it here, copy and then paste it here. And then once you are done with the system scanning, please do for the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Copy and paste it here, and then proceed to the last command, which is to check the health of your computer. And once you are done with all of these three commands, okay, please restart your computer. And one thing that you will need to bear in mind is that you need to keep this window open. So meaning you don't close this window unless you are done. And once you are done, restart your computer. And once you have relaunched your Windows again, try to update it. Okay? Try to run for Windows Update and check if the problem has been fixed. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.